What's up, guys? It's July 17th, 2024. Big gap down in the EMA. Broke through the big EMA, and we sold off. It's the sideways price action for most of the day. I think the day was kind of challenging. I got shredded back to back, so I'm gonna take Thursday and Friday off. But nonetheless, it is what it is. Daily chart looks pretty nasty. That is not a good bar for the Bulls. Bears are gonna try and keep this gap open. So just like we drew this gap in, I'm gonna draw that gap in. If the next bar kind of sells off, then we know the Bears are gaining strength, and the Bulls want to close this gap. These things are so hard to draw. Okay, there we go. Drag is what I was gonna say. Huh. Oh yeah. Okay, it's no sync. You guys get why I'm drawing this gap here? If I can get this no sync to put. Holy. There we go. Okay. So this gap is a bear gap because the Bears broke out below this bull bar. Excuse me. So Bulls are going to try and reverse higher and close this gap and keep going and use this as a double bottom pullback. Bears want this to be the start of a reversal. Wedge top, good sell signal. They want to sell below. So if we break below if we break below this low, there's going to be sellers there because that's a sell signal on the daily. But the Bulls want this to be a double bottom in a bull trend. We've been rallying for quite some time. This is only the second bar, and we're closing at the low. I got the hiccups all of a sudden. As soon as I started, I haven't had the hiccups all day, and then I start this thing and I have the hiccups. That's not the first time that's happened too. I don't know where that came from. So yeah, here's a zoomed in version of that wedge top. Wow, now I'm about to sneeze. It's like somehow like the sneezing and hiccup gods know. Oh yeah, he's recording. Let's get him. So here's a better version of that wedge top. All right, give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I was trying to hold in the sneeze, but it just was not happening. Um, so yeah, here's that wedge top. Big gap down. Not good continuation. Bar one today was not good for the Bears. You know, with a big gap down, they definitely want to see selling at lows and keeps and the selling continues. Bar one ended up being the start of a two-legged pullback that reversed lower, which ended up being the easiest trade today. I got trapped going long here, and then I went short here because I thought this was a double bottom. Then I didn't want to get short right here, and I got trapped right here, reversed out because it was still in a little too high. I think I got trapped around here. I didn't take profits on these two bars. Went short here, hit out, bought that bar, reversed, and then that was that. I think I didn't. I might have bought this bar or bought this bar and then hit out on that bar, but yeah, got shredded in these last two range days. I'm working on learning how to avoid them. Big gap down without continuation. Bar one is the start to a pullback. Bar two, good for the Bears. I think this is Bulls taking profit. I'm gonna delete this now. That's one big bear bar. There's a Bulls taking profit. Bar three, testing the 50% level. Bar one, bar four, we test higher. Bulls are starting to rally. Bears are not selling low, so that's not good. Bar five, breakout for the Bulls. However, bar six is back continuation. You know, this is what the Bears want to see, a failed two-legged pullback. Low one, low two. This is actually not a low two. This is a low two because that didn't go below this bar. So this is a low two, and it's coming at a worse price, so we have more information. So it led to a good scalp, but then we went sideways for a long time. So the market cycle is, breakout. First opposite bar equals a pullback, and then we go into channel phase, and from channel phase we go into tight trading range, and we see that today pretty nicely. So I don't know what I'm doing. Here's the breakout. Here's the start to the channel phase, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback, leg four. But the leg four is also the start of this range. So I'm just moving my mouse around this range right here. So breakout, start the new market cycle. Opposite bar starts the channel phase. Channel phase goes for a couple hours. Channel phase turns into the trading range phase, which I I can talk about it, but I can't see it happening real time. Real time, I thought this new low would be a continuation and a strong trend with gap down. Then I thought this was soft 45 like that, leg one, leg two, leg three, testing this high, breakout, but then I bought the high of this range in reverse. So I realized it was a range around here, but then that's like a little too late. So I have to get in front of this range bound price action. I'm getting the breakouts and the channels, but this is getting me caught. I didn't catch it. I just stopped trading around here. I was like, I gotta take a break. My head's getting throttled. So I'm gonna take tomorrow off, Friday off, and start trading again on Monday. It is what it is. So we're in the channel phase. Bar 7, good low 2. Bar 8 is continuation. Bar 9, deep pullback. Bears are testing this breakout point, and we sell off for a few legs lower. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Double bottom. This is also a fractal wedge right here, but with a lot of momentum, it failed. I think bull got trapped around here. I think I got trapped on this one right here. One of these two bars I bought thinking it was like a wedge bottom sideways. EMA was going a little more sideways. Bears met the measured move, so got caught up. 31 reverses lower, 2-bar reversal. 31 is also an outside bar and a downtrend, and that led to a few legs lower. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, deep pullback, leg 3, and we're range bound here. We're range bound. It's buy low, sell high, so bears and bulls are making money. I'm trying to stick to with the trend trades, but you could put limit orders of the bad breakout bars. So bar 45 is a bad breakout bar. Let's go leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then look at bar. Did I say 45 or 50? Bar 45 is a bad breakout bar. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then look at bar 55, testing this high. So that's where limit orders are. Double bottom, and it bounced for a few legs higher. Deep pullback, we're in a trading range, so they were testing. Now this bar is testing this breakout point, and goes for another 2 legs higher. And these bars are letting these bulls out, and they're going for, and then the bears get their 2 legs. So leg count is pretty nice. It is challenging in a trading range. Giving it kind of short, guys. I am definitely feeling pretty beat up. I think I'm feeling pretty beat up. I don't think I am feeling pretty beat up. So I'm gonna take a break. Physically trading. I'm still gonna be in the Discord. So I'm gonna be in the Discord talking. For what it is, yeah. I'll talk to you guys this week. Tomorrow I'm still gonna do the breakdown. Nothing's really changing except for me entering the markets. So you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Use your stop loss. And yeah, hope you guys are doing good. What's up, everybody? Thank you for all your support. It's kind of crazy. I used to keep track of how many followers I had. Then I looked today, I was like, whoa, this is actually I didn't expect this. So it's kind of cool. I like talking to you guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, I can't turn this off. Okay, bye.